Hey guys, this is how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. So, first thing that you will do is just simply go ahead and go to your Photos application. So here it is. So now, from here, if you deleted a photo, guys, just simply go to your albums down below. And from here, just simply scroll down over here. And after that, guys, you will be able to see here recently deleted from the very bottom. So just simply tap on it. And from here, guys, just simply provide your Touch ID. Or if you don't have a Touch ID, just simply enter your passcode as you can see over here. Tap on enter passcode and just simply provide it. And now from here, you should be able to see all of the deleted photos on your iPhone. And if you want to recover it, just simply tap on it. And after that, you will have a recover button over here at the bottom down below. And tap on recover and tap on recover photo. And from there, when you go back to your albums, and from here, you'll be able to recover your deleted photos. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.